All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Again, hopefully you guys are good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you're watching this video. Trust and hope that everyone is okay with you and your family. So we're going to look at the Jamaica Premier League. Voila. Um, Fixtures that we saw play yesterday, and I'm going to run through, just some highlights and match reviews and stuff and what I thought about the game. But before I get into the details, what I would advise you guys to do, smash the like button. As you know, I'm on the road to whatever thousands of subscribers, but the only way I can reach there is by you guys hitting that subscribe button. I know a lot of you guys watching, but not hitting that subscribe button. So I would definitely appreciate it if you do so right now. And definitely turn on those notification bell so we get the latest video as soon as it drops. So we're going to get straight to the game. Let's see which one of the games we're going to start with first. We're going to start. Okay, so we're going to start with the Tivoli Gardens versus Harbour. So this game finished in favor of Harbour, 2-1 in favor of Harbour. Let's get straight into it. Let's get straight into the details of the game. First goal scored, deflected free kick scored by O'Shane Staple to open the tally. Now, can't tell. The keeper was a little bit suspect on that one, I would say. You can say that he was a little bit suspect. But in the second phase of play, we have Nakil Wright with an equalizer, a screamer pushing the ball to the far right, and then he blasted it to the outside of his right foot. People, because he pushed it to that angle and then still turn around and blast it with the outside of his right foot to the far angle of the goal. But we can tell the people, beautiful peach of goal. Was a lovely goal. Then now topped off with a nice celebration. But anyways, let's get to the next phase of it. So that's equalizer. So in the next phase of play, we have the young man coming from schoolboy football, Tariq Zimenez. Tariq Zimenez. I mean, I tell people, guys, he got a free kick 30 yards out. Before the free kick, he had a shot like about 36 yards out, and the ball hit the bar with such a venom. Keeper frightened. But anyways, Tariq Zimenez with a free kick from 30 yards out, which beat the keeper. And I would say a little bit of poor goalkeeping, but it was hit with a lot of venom, people. It was hit with a lot of venom. And the 17-year-old, yes, he's 17. The 17-year-old sealed the winner for the Harbour Football Club. But these are the match stats. As you can see, Harbour had 11 shots in favor of them, whilst Tivoli had 7, and Tivoli had 3 on target, Harbour had 5 on target. Both teams committed almost the same foul, 10 in favor of Tivoli and 11 in favor of Harbour. 3 yellow cards for Tivoli, 2 for Harbour. Let's see what else. 5 corners for Harbour, 1 for Tivoli. Keeper made saves made by keeper, 2 for Tivoli, 1 for Harbour. Ball possession, 54% for Harbour and 46% for Tivoli Gardens. Pretty much an exciting encounter. And I think people are warming to what's happening right now to the JPL, specifically in regards to how the teams are playing. And I'm starting to see some good football play. I'm being honest. A lot of people are saying, hey, this or that, but sometimes you got to watch it before you can actually make a comment. And I think that's where the problem lies. Many people are not watching it, but they're making all different types of allegations about it. So watch it, people, before you say anything. So the next game we're going to look at is Humble Lions versus Arnett. Arnett versus Humble Lions, which game ended at stalemate 2-2. So Fabian Reed opened his account for the season. Opened his account for the season in 3rd minute with a beautiful curler onto the far post. Played inside, good through ball as well. Nice through ball, lovely through ball. And he just played. You can see that whip. You can see the whip that he's putting on that one. He's putting a special type of sauce on that one. A special type of sauce. But he opens the game with that beautiful technique. As I said, the special sauce. Then now, they Visional Harris dribbles past 2 players, 3 players, 2 players, 3 players, get inside of the area and pass it across to Shamari Dallas, where Shamari Dallas had an open goal, him and the keeper alone, as you can see, and that was meat and cheese for him. Then now the celebration. I'm giving one of the Aubameyang flip. So we move on. So that's the equalizer in the early stages of the game. Then now a penalty awarded to Arnett guard, in which personally I believe it was really, really harsh. As you can see, his arm is okay, I put it now. His arms was on his body, and he turned his face away. It's not like his arm was extended. So if they had VAR, I think that VAR would have definitely looked past that one. I honestly think that VAR would have looked past that one, because it's not like his arm was extended and trying to make himself bigger. But such is life. Referee awarded penalty. As you can see, the referee pointing to the spot, even though the players on the ground behaving as if it was a thunderbolt that struck him. But it's harsh. It's really, really harsh. And Fabian Reid went to the penalty spot, and with that marvelous technique, again, player full of technique, putting it in the far corner. Keeper had no chance. And there goes Arnett Gardens going up 2-1 with the lead, looking likely to win the game. But guess what? Lions have something else in their pocket. So Javian Thompson with the equalizer for Humble Lions. Now, as you can see right here, Harris, which had been a problem for Arnett Garden through the entirety of the game. The keeper came out and he collided one of the Arnett Garden defenders. Then he pushed the defender out of the way, and he collided the Arnett Garden defender, and the Arnett Garden defender collided with Harris, and Harris just poked the ball over in the path of Thompson, and that is where Javian Thompson just got an easy open goal where he slotted it through the defender's feet, and we can tell the people, lucky. We're looking at that. The defender said, "Oh God, man." Yeah, that's what it is. So this is the match starts or the match finish. Arnett Garden has 9 shots, Humble Lion have 7. 3 shots on target for Arnett, 4 on target for Humble Lion. Fouls committed a total of 31 fouls committed in this game. 15 for Arnett and 16 for Humble Lion. It was a nasty game. 4 yellow cards, that's 6 in total. 6 yellow cards in total, 4 for Arnett, 2 for Humble Lion. I'm surprised that there was no red card because the game got out of hand at one point. 6 corners in favor of Arnett and 3 in favor of Humble Lions. 3 saves for Arnett Garden keeper and 2 for Humble Lions. Possession 48 for Arnett, 52 for Humble Lion. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys the table, what the table looks like right now. I'm going to be showing you guys what the table looks like right now. Give me a second, people. I'm going to show what the table looks like right now. So I'll be showing you guys how the table looks. So just give me a sec, people. Let me bring it up. So this is what the table looks like, people. This is what the table looks like. We have Waterhouse FC on the top of the table, playing some good football. Only conceded 2 goals so far. Mount Pleasant only conceded 1 as well. So both Mount Pleasant and Waterhouse are in really, really good form. I think that's going to be a very, very good matchup when they meet. We have Double Olin FC at 3rd position and Harbour in 4th. Well, the points margin is quite close now. Just 2 wins, 2 back-to-back wins, and you can see a team really, really coming up top in good standing. So all they need is just 2 wins, and I think that would put them in good standings. So, but that's how it is. That's just football. At this one time, as you can see, Mullines and Humble Lion at the bottom of the table. Humble Lion with that draw yesterday, which you can saw them. You can say definitely that 1 point take the shame out of the game. But there's more to come. Cavaliers struggling at this point. Cavaliers really struggling at this point. But it's early days, people. It's really early days. Time to come when we're gonna say okay. But it's early days. Let me see what else we can look at. I think that is it. Yeah, I think that is it. So, as I said, people, that's it for me. That is the JPL review Game week 3 review. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. Make sure that you guys smash the like button, people, and hit that subscribe button. As you know, this is Military Guna TV. I'm your host, Murray Dakers. Help me reach my dream. HBO special. Help a brother out by hitting that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys again. I am out.